Transform your data from dull numbers into dynamic visuals. Let's dive into creating eye-catching graphs and charts right here in Microsoft Word. First, open your Word document and position your cursor where you want your graph to appear. Then navigate to the Insert tab on the ribbon. Next, locate and click on the Chart button. This will open the Insert Chart dialog box, presenting you with a variety of chart types. Now choose the chart type that best represents your data. For this example, let's select a column chart, and then pick a specific style. Once you've made your selection, click OK. Word will now insert the chart into your document, simultaneously opening a mini Excel spreadsheet where you'll input your data. Simply replace the sample data in the spreadsheet with your own information. The chart will automatically update in real time, ensure that your categories and values are accurately entered. You can customize your chart directly within Word by clicking on the chart elements, like the title or axis labels, and editing them. Further enhance your graph by using the Chart Design tab to add elements like axis titles, data labels, and a legend to make your chart more informative. Finally, explore the chart styles options to give your graph a polished and professional look. Experiment with different styles until you find one that complements your document, and that's it. You've successfully created a chart in Microsoft Word.